You know what, guys? I think at this point, Muhoozi is just trying to test the patience of Ugandans. He's trying to see how far can he go before Ugandans do something. Because honestly, he has mastered the art of abducting without consequences, like torturing without remorse, and showing us unapologetically. Seriously, at this point, you know, there is that humility Ugandans have, that sense of humor, the hospitality that gave us a safe drive into slave trade, and we still have it up to now. And he has understood that. He's trying to reveal that, and he has been successful. Honestly, he has been successful. Because how can you tell me you go to a home of a person like Lukwago with his caliber? He has been in parliament for over 25 years, a Lord Mayor of the Uganda's capital city for over 15 years. You go to his home, climb over the fence without an arrest warrant. This guy is a lawyer. Go to his family, torture his family, abduct him, put him into this car, drive him safely into the safe house. You torture him, and as if that is not enough, you take pictures and shame him on social media. Like laws don't exist in the country. Like laws don't matter. Like we are in a failed state. At this point, at that point, I think it is no longer a personal issue. He is trying to see, how far can I go? How far can I go before Ugandans do something? And at this point, I think he's yet to realize that Ugandans can't do anything. They will accept, they will take in everything that will be done to them with a smile.